guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be getting my backpack ready for middle school and tomorrow's shark bite, which is basically like an orientation, but kids spend half the day there. So at Ross, I got these really cute PE shoes. I think I need scissors, but I'll look for the scissors later. And then my mom got this really cute nightgown. And then this is my backpack. I also got this from Ross. I also need scissors for that, so I'll get scissors later. But I got college rule paper, so I'm gonna put that in here. And then I also got this really cute mirror for my locker. I'm also gonna put that in there. And then I also got a few more things from the Navy Exchange, but I got this. My English teacher said that we would need these, so I'm gonna put that in there. And then I also got my lock for my locker, and I also got some extra markers. This I'm also gonna be putting in here. I'm gonna put this in the small pocket. And then I also got some pens, some glue, highlighters, and colored pencils. I also got school candy, headphones. I got this really cute pencil case. Again, I'm gonna need scissors. I also got some mechanical pencils. These are really cute. I also got some more glue, some super glue to fix a necklace that broke. And then I also need some post-it notes. Some of my teachers said that I would need those. So let's put everything that I need there in here. Okay. My teachers are really nice. I got a Filipino teacher, which luckily I can understand Filipino accents because most of my family is Filipino, which also makes me half Filipino. Which means most of my family also speaks Tagalog and has a Filipino accent. My mom is Filipino, but she doesn't have a Filipino accent. Sorry, Mom, if you're watching this. This glue is really hard to open. Hold on. Yo, where? Oh, it's right here. That won't work. Hold on, I'll be right back. Alright, so I ripped apart that tag, and what is it? I got open the glue stick, so I'm gonna put that in there. Oh, did I show you that I got post-it notes? I don't know if I did. Purple glue. 2 things of that. And I got some colored pencils. And then some pens. Some of the pens there were like $8. Who pays $8 for some headphones? Or no, some of the pens there were $8. These ones are like, the ones I got were like $1.79. Okay, my mom chose the right headphones. And we're gonna put this in the front pocket of that. I got a pen. We're gonna open these Post-its. We're also gonna put these in my pencil case. Some highlighters. Some of these things were at Ross. I think I already said that. But Ross is like a thrift shop, kind of. I don't know. My mechanical pencils. You obviously need pencils for school. But like, since I'm going to middle school, you can't have phones, Apple Watches, any of that out. So my mom's ordering me a really cute watch. Hold on, I'm gonna create a trash pile. I forgot about that. Hold on. Alright guys, I'm back. And now, and I put the expo markers in here. I'm forgetting something. I'm going to look and see if I'm forgetting something. Alright, now I'm going to take these and I'm also going to put them in my backpack. And then I'm also going to take my lock. Here, let me show you guys how quick I can do this. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Done. Alright, I'm going to put that in my backpack. Where should I put it up front? Right here. I think I'm going to put it there. right there. So the lock is right there. Let me close. Yeah. That's empty. Alright, so I'm going to pack that. And this. So, I don't know if I should load these things, but these are in case I start my, at school, or if someone does and I have stuff. And I have this really cool top pocket. So I'm gonna put, should I? No. Okay. We're gonna put it in this pocket right down here. And that's my back to school backpack. So I got everything else, and I'll keep you updated on everything else. But anyways, peace out, love you, bye, and have a blessed day.